Hey guys, CR Classics here. Now this video is about my Storm Shield Plus outdoor car cover that arrived today from Specialised Covers. I've got this cover because we are moving house in a couple of days and the place we're moving to doesn't actually have a garage for the car to go in. At the moment we're going to be working on that and there will be a garage going up eventually. But at the moment when we move in, there won't be one there. So the car is going to be outside for a short period of time in this horrible, cold, rainy winter weather that we're having at the moment, which is a bit scary for me, or was a bit scary. And I was a bit nervous about would the cover protect it enough. I mean, I've been a bit spoiled having this lovely garage for the car to be in that you just lock it up and then you know nothing's going to get in there and nothing's going to go on the car. But then the cover coming today and me putting it on the car has really reassured me really that it's going to protect the car. I mean, it really does hug the car, and you've got these four little straps that strap underneath the car, so when it's windy obviously the cover won't blow away. And also how it looks, I'm sure you'll agree, it looks absolutely gorgeous. I mean, you really do capture the lines of the car and the shape of the car, even though it's quite a robust cover. It's not one of these really sleek indoor covers like my other one that are meant to be really stylish. This one is robust and stylish at the same time, which I find amazing really, how they can make it look so pretty and be so practical at the same time. And also it's got my logo on the front as well, which is a really nice touch by them. Just to make it feel like a bit more of a personal cover. This was handmade up in their Yorkshire factory, like all of their other covers. They don't stock covers off the shelf. Every cover they make is tailor-made to your car, which I think is lovely, and it makes it feel a little bit more special when you get your cover. But I couldn't be happier with the cover that I've got here. I really am chuffed to bits with it. And I'll rest assured now when it's pouring down with rain outside, the car will be happy and safe and dry is the main thing. But here's some shots of the car. I'm sure you'll agree, it looks absolutely beautiful. So guys, I'm sure you'll agree the cover looks absolutely stunning. I couldn't be happier with it, and I'm sure you guys will pop onto the website. I'll put a link to their website in the description of this video. Just hop on there and have a look at some of the covers they do. Even if you're not looking at buying one, they really are, well, in my opinion, the best covers out there. Just the pure customization options that they provide. And it's just such a lovely experience buying one from them. It really is, and you can rest assured that your car will look stunning, be safe, dry, and all the things you care about when owning a classic car or even a modern car. I guarantee you won't be able to find a car that they won't make a cover for. They are quite amazing like that. But apart from that, I hope you enjoyed the video. This has been CR Classics showing you my Storm Shield Plus cover from Specialised Covers. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, as both of those things mean a lot to me. And let me know what you'd like me to do next, or what you'd like to know about the cover, or if you guys are looking at buying one, just pop me a message or pop me a comment and I'll be more than happy to help you out with it. Any questions you have. But apart from that, it's been CR Classics, out.
Follow white rabbit. I'm taking potions, call me Alice. Watch me grow taller.